Hello everyone, class 10. In the previous videos, I was discussing about the chapter ratio and proportion. In the previous videos, you have already seen about the ratios, about the properties of ratios, about the problem based on ratios. After that, also you have already seen about the definition of proportion. Some properties are related to proportion, that is continued proportion, and some more important properties that are related to proportion, that is I think invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, and componendo and dividendo. Now today we will discuss some important questions from the chapter ratio and proportion, especially based on componendo and dividendo. And always in the board exam, one questions is coming from this topic. It means the problems based on componendo and dividendo. See the children, see this question. Using properties of proportion, solve for x. It is given 3x plus root under 9x square minus 5. 3x minus root under 9x square minus 5 is equal to 5. So given term written. In the RHS side, you can see here 5. In the denominator, I have taken here 1. This one. So applying the componendo and dividendo, according to componendo dividendo, you can know that, I think you should know that a by b is equal to c by d. By componendo dividendo, we can write a plus b by a minus b and c plus d by c minus d. So this term we can suppose as a and this term we can suppose as b. A plus b, and denominator in the same term you have to write in between minus sign. A plus b and a minus b. C plus d, it is c and d, c plus d and c minus d. 5 plus 1 6, 5 minus 1 4. Now open the bracket, this term is same. In the denominator, before this bracket minus sign is there, so open the bracket and change the sign. This is minus sign and this minus minus plus. So after that cancel it. So both the terms of bracket in the both the terms in under the square root in the numerator with the opposite sign, that will be cancelled. It is with the positive, it is with the negative, and minus 3x and plus 3x will be cancelled. So 3x plus 3x 6x, and this plus 2 times root under 9x square minus 5, and now it is cancelling. 6 is cancelled with the 6 and 2 2s are 4. Now cross multiply them. This multiplied, you can suppose here 1. So this term multiplied by 1, this is same, and 2 into x, that is 2x. Now remove the square root. For removing the square root, you can do that here, squaring both the sides. On squaring both the sides, root square root will be cancelled, and square of 2x, that is 4x square. This will taken this side, minus 4x square. 9 minus 4, that is 5x square, is equal to 5. 5x square is equal to 5. From 5 it is cancelled. 5 ones are 5, and remove the square, take the square root, and the square root of 1, that is 1. Hence 1. See one more question. The given term is same as the question number 1, but now this time it is very clearly it is written here using componendo and dividendo. In the previous question, that is written there using properties of proportion. Properties of proportion, it means there you can apply any one of the properties of proportion, that is invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, and componendo and dividendo. But in this case, it is already written componendo and dividendo, and this is our required term. This is the answer. So the given term I am written in the LHS, in the denominator of the LHS, it taken 1. So applying componendo and dividendo, a plus b and a minus b. This is c and this is d. C plus d and c minus d. This is same. This is same. In the denominator, before this bracket minus sign is there, so open the bracket and change the sign, minus, and now it is plus. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. Add them this much, add them this much. This cancel, x plus 1 and x minus 1. Now for removing this square, we are taking square root, squaring both the sides. On taking squaring this side and this side, on putting squaring this side, root will be cancelled, a square plus b square. Root will be cancelled, a square minus b square. Now in this, after this step, you can see here it is again complex term, And if you're getting in the previous question, after simplifying no complex term is there, so we can do the cross multiplication. So we can do here cross multiplication, but if you applying here componendo and dividendo, that term will be reduced. So again we are applying here after this step C and D. It means componendo and dividendo. Now see, again using C and D. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. So numerator term same. In the denominator, open the bracket this part, change the sign. Minus A square plus B square. This will be cancelled. A square square 2 square. And this will be cancelled. B square 2B square. This 2 cancel. It is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. Here we are applying the formula A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. I think you should know that. 2A square plus B square. And A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. That is 4AB. So from this 2, this 4 will be cancelled in 2 times. This 2 will be cancelled. Now cross multiply them. B square into this, B square that much, this into this much. For required term B square. So for finding B square, this term comes in the division. So 2A square x by x square plus 1. Hence proved. Now see one more problem. If x is equal to root under a plus 1 by plus root under a minus 1 whole divided by root under a plus 1 minus root under a minus 1. Using properties of proportion, show that this. For showing this, again we have taken here in the denominator 1 and applying here C and D. A plus B and A minus B. C plus D and C minus D. Now open the bracket here. Before this bracket, minus sign is there. Open the bracket. Minus plus minus 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 plus. This will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. X plus 1, X plus 1. This will be added. 2 root under A plus 1. 2 root under A minus 1. And the LHS part is same. See this side. See here. This 2 will be cancelled. For removing the square root, taking squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. Here, 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 here. A x plus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. From square root will be cancelled. From square root will be cancelled. So again applying C and D. It is A plus B. It is A minus B. Same term. Plus and minus. Same term. Plus and minus. So A plus B whole square. Again applying the formula here. A plus B whole square. See children, I am writing here that formula. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to 2A square plus B square. And if A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. So it is 2A square plus B square, it is 4AB. And this term is same. And open the bracket. Minus plus minus and minus minus plus. A cancel. 1 plus 1 2. And 1 cancel. A plus A 2A. This 2 will be cancelled. And from this it is cancelled by 2. That is 2x and x square plus 1. Now cross multiply them. X square plus 1 is x square plus 1. 2x into a, that is 2ax. X square plus 1 minus plus 2x, taking this side minus 2x. This is our required term. So children, you can do this type of more problems given in your last exercise. I think that is in the exercise 7, whatever exercise that is. I think last exercise you can do, especially in the last problems, last 10 problems, and all the 10 problems that's from the board model. You can see the exercises. See this exercise. See this side, the questions. You can see here. This question from the 2010, 10, 14, 11, 17, 17, like that only. Tomorrow I will discuss some more problems from the previous year, from same chapter, by using componendo and dividendo. So thank you for watching the video. All the best.